probably aware that home ownership carries some tasty tax benefits. Specifically, you can write off mortgage interest and property taxes. This will reduce the amount of income you have to pay taxes on and possibly drop you into a lower tax bracket. Before I get into some of the details, I want to stress that I am not giving you tax advice, just some general information. Please be sure to check with your tax advisor before you make any decisions that are related to taxes. Here's how this works. When you file your income tax return, you get to adjust your income several ways. For example, you will claim a certain number of exemptions or dependents. In 2014, each dependent would reduce your income by $3,950. So if you're married and have 2 children, that would amount to $15,800 reduction in taxable income. Then you take deductions. If you are a renter, you probably use the standard deduction, which in 2014 is $6,200 for you and another $6,200 for your spouse, if you're married. If you have more deductions than that, you will itemize your deductions. As a homeowner, you will deduct mortgage interest, property taxes, and state taxes. If you bought a home for $400,000, you might have around $13,000 in interest and $5,000 in property taxes. You will also list state income taxes you paid along with charitable donations. Again, check with your tax advisor for specifics. Altogether, let's say your itemized deductions amount to $24,000. That means you'll reduce the income used in calculating your income tax by $24,000 compared to the standard deduction of $12,400 if you're married. The result is that you'll pay tax on a smaller amount of income, nearly $12,000 less. Also, you may pay at a lower tax rate if the deductions drop you into a lower tax bracket. Depending on how much income you earned that year, you could save $3,000 or more in income taxes that year. Finally, to get the savings with each paycheck rather than at the end of the year, you can adjust your withholding by filing a new W-4 with your employer. This will give you more take-home pay on each paycheck. You'll find instructions for doing this right on the form. I hope this was useful. We are never too busy to answer your questions. You can always call, text, or tweet us. All our contact information is right here, and if you'd like to start an application now, just click on the application link. Bye for now.